Dear students, welcome in our classes. Today we are going to discuss a biology chapter. The name of the chapter is Fundamental Unit of Life. This is from class 9th biology, the fundamental unit of life. In this chapter we have discussed all the previous points, and today we will discuss about mitochondria. Mitochondria. So dear students, mitochondria. Mitochondria is one of the cell organs of a eukaryotic cell. Earlier, you have come to know very well about eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. There are two types of cells on the basis of their origin: the prokaryotic and the eukaryotic. Mitochondria is one of the cell organs of a eukaryotic cell. This we have learned in previous classes. We will continue from there. This mitochondria is known as powerhouse of a cell. Powerhouse of a cell. They are called powerhouse of cell because they generate the energy required for the metabolic activities of a cell. That means a cell, of course, a cell are the structural and functional unit of life. Functional unit of life, that means they perform all the functions which an individual body can perform. So, to perform all the functions, all the activities, it needs energy. And this energy is provided by the mitochondria, hence they are also called as the powerhouse of a cell. Clear? Power. Now, if you concentrate on the figure, this is a diagram of mitochondria. Here you can see this is a layer, this is outer layer, and this is the another layer which is having folds, inward folds. Here you can see this is the inward folds of the inner membrane. This is called outer membrane. The outer boundary, it is called outer membrane, and this is called the inner membrane. The inner membrane has several inward folds. This is the inward folds. These inner membranes, they have inward folds, and these folds are called as the cristae. These are called cristae. These folds are just like the inward folds, the finger-like projections in case of small intestine or the large intestine, which used to increase the surface area of the organ so as to let the more and more absorption of nutrients. This was in case of small intestine, that it has finger-like inward projections hanging in the line of the internal wall of the intestine, which enhance the absorption of nutrients by increasing the surface area. In the same way, the inner membrane of the mitochondria also has this like of inward folds. These folds are called as the cristae. Now, in this cristae, you can see some dot-like structure, some spherical dot-like structure. These are the ribosomes. These are the ribosomes of the cell, and you have learned about the function of the ribosome. After that, you can see some thread-like coil structure. This one, the thread-like coil structure. These are the DNA. They are the DNA. Mitochondria has their own DNA. Mitochondria has their own DNA. Some of the cells they do not have DNA, such as RBCs and so on, because RBC lack completely mitochondria. So mitochondria has its own DNA. Now these are the outer membrane. Got it? These are the outer membrane, and these are the inner membrane. These are the inner membrane. Inner membrane. These are the inner membrane, which are having the inward fold. Now, this space, the space between the outer membrane and the inner membrane is called intermembrane space. It is called inner membrane space. Now, the outer membrane is porous. That means it is selectively permeable. As in case of the cell wall or the cell membrane. That means the outer membrane is porous, which leads to the in and out of substances from the surrounding. That is the energy produced inside the mitochondria should be released out, and that is possible because of this force which liberates the energy outside. Now you can see there are some spaces between the folds of the inner membrane. These are the folds. These are called the folds of the inner membrane, and between the folds of the inner membrane there is again space like this one. This space. This space is called inner membrane space. This is called intermembrane space. Intermembrane between the two membranes, and this is called inner space or inner membrane space, which is falling inside the inner membrane. Now the space inside the inner membrane is filled with a jelly-like substance, which is called matrix. It is called matrix. Now the energy produced into the mitochondria, as soon as it is produced, it is converted into ATP, and this ATP, when breaks down, it produces a great amount of energy. Secondly, these mitochondria vary differently, vary greatly in their size, ranging between 0.1 micrometer to 10 micrometer. That means there is a great variation in the size of the mitochondria, which is ranging between 0.1 micrometer to 0.10 micrometer. This is the reason why the shape of a mitochondria cell organelle varies cell to cell. It may vary cell to cell. That means same type of cells may carry, or same body may carry different shape of mitochondria within different cells. Is it clear now? Now just look at the figure